when did they have standing based on the documents? They're nowhere in the chain of title. I'm not arguing that they couldn't possibly have a superior lien. They never proved it.
Is that their argument that they have some sort of relationship with
They're the one. Bank of New
Spinnaker?
York Mellon is the one who foreclosed on the wires.
Oh.
But where did you get your standing? So it gets a little bit more uh uh intricate, and I had to end up breaking this up. But here you go. See the Bank of New York Mellon lawsuit, verified complaint to foreclose. This they're saying that Bank of New York Mellon is a trustee for the Countrywide Alternative Trust. We all know what happened with Countrywide, and one of the reasons why I was so fascinated by Mrs. Harris as the president uh, candidate, she's the one that did the moratorium that stopped all the foreclosures. Countrywide was a part of that moratorium. So now you get all this right here, and they're saying that they own all this, and they did all this other stuff, and they're claiming this is New Penn is doing business as Shell Point is a servicer for Bank of New York Mellon. But when did Bank of New York Mellon ever get the property? See, none of this was ever brought up in the court because you see these people here, they filed bankruptcy and had to withdraw as representing attorneys. What was interesting is one of the partners ended up going to prison for embezzlement.
Ooh.
No problem. So he's a crook. So here he is. He said he's an associate attorney or counsel for Morris Snyder, in which that he's guaranteeing they have the note. Interesting. The note and the mortgage should always be together. But at any rate, this is in Pennsylvania, so where is the note at the time? We don't know. I think the mortgage might actually be in Tampa. We don't know because nobody ever made him prove it. What's crazy about it is um, this Morris Snyder and Widstead filed bankruptcy and had to withdraw. But if you go on in here, you'll see the Michael Wire and all of them. But they bought the property from Rutland Home Mortgage Company. This, all these endorsements, we don't even know if these are real endorsements. The lines, which is added, but Rutland. Nowhere do you see Bank of New York Mellon anywhere in here. I'm not saying they didn't at some time acquire it, but where? Universal American Mortgage Company, or nowhere did they show that they had standing to foreclose. What's even more interesting is once this guy, they filed bankruptcy, a new law firm took over for him, right? The new law firm never got permission from the court to proceed.
So are you
And
potentially pointing out that the county did something wrong? Because you acquired the property from a county or a government.
from Dave, who bought it from the county.
Oh, okay.
Dave bought it. Dave bought the property. He bought four of them and quit claimed all four to me. Nothing's illegal by him buying a property from an auction because either the clerk made a legitimate sale or the clerk sold stolen property.
That's what I was asking.
So here you go. Certificate of title. Here's a certificate of sale. Certifies a public sale of the property, which is Spinnaker, but times four. So I had four properties. Who owns the property now?